Hi, I'm Caroline. I'm the assistant graphic designer at CALPAK. This is my boyfriend Jack. He is a roaster at a cafe in LA, Bar 9, and today we're going to be showing you some of our favorite international cocktails that you can make at home.
Alright, so today we're going to be making my version of a Singapore Sling. First, you're going to get your cocktail shaker. Then you're going to add 2 ounces of your favorite gin. 1 part cherry liqueur. 1 part lime juice. 1 part pineapple juice. 1 part orange juice. And then we're going to take a couple spoonfuls of the syrup from Luxardo cherries. Add that right into your shaker. A few ice cubes. Shake. And then you're going to grab your rocks glass and strain. I'm going to add a couple ice cubes to this. And then we're going to garnish with a lemon wheel and a couple cocktail cherries.
Yum.